to the Diamond Show, and today I'm going to be making foam slime. So all you need to make foam slime is some foam beads, some hand soap, some paint, yeah, or if you don't want paint, and food coloring, and some baking soda, and some glue, obviously, and borax, shaving cream, and lotion. Before we get on to the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. If you want to have a bigger chance to win my gift card giveaway, all you need to do is to watch my bathtub video. I'll leave a link in the comment section, or just click the eye above my head. And you must be subscribed and share this channel to your friends. So you have to put Diamond 5 on every single video. Just spam it, copy paste, ding, 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 ding. Just spam. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm not going to be the one that's making the slime because borax is kind of dangerous. So if you want to make this slime, ask your parents, just ask, okay? Okay, so my real brother is gonna make it, not my twin brother because he's evil now, okay? He's gonna take over the world, so bye. First, put some glue in your bowl like that. Then put some hand soap. Then just put some shaving cream on there. Then start mixing. Now put some of your paint. But if you want paint, then start mixing. Then put some baking soda. Then just mix and mix and mix. Then put some of your borax and mix. And just stretch it like this. Now add your foam beads on the slime. Then cover it up like that. Then take the slime out of your bowl and put some glue. And put the slime in the bowl with the glue and combine it. Then put some lotion and some more foam beads and just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. So this is how the slime looks like, and now I'm gonna stretch it. Okay. Okay. Yo, this thing is light. This is lit, bruh. Like, this is light. Oh. But this is so light. It's almost like less than a feather. Yeah, feather. Oh my goodness, look. Y'all didn't see that, okay? Didn't see nothing. Okay, it didn't rip. It didn't rip. Okay, but you can even make shapes. I'm gonna make a star. Oh my. This might be hard. Yeah, does this look like a star to you? No. Oh, my hand is that big. Wait. Okay, now let's do a close-up. Look how long this is. Oh, by the way, do you like my Freddy shirt? Okay, this is Freddy. Foxy, Bonnie, Chica. My favorite one is Foxy. Comment down below which one's your favorite one out of all the 5 ones. Just comment. You don't have to. Hey! Wait, I want to do another hand. Ugh. This is my hand for now. Ugh. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That was sticky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just paused for a little bit. Serious? Actually, guys, that was the end of we have to end the video right here. So, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications, share this video with your friends, and guess what those all are for. Guessed it right. The giveaway. And when you're done, comment diamond 5. Bye, guys.